In this video, I created a crypto day trading bot on KuCoin, and these are my results. Yo, what's up everybody, Chuki here, back with a banger. In today's video, I had the genius idea of creating a crypto trading bot. So if you did not know, the app KuCoin has its own trading bot feature, pretty awesome stuff. And they have three different bots. There's the classic grid, there's the dollar cost averaging one, which I'm not even sure that works, and there's the futures, which is leverage trading, day trading bot, which I did not do in this video. I just did the classic grid. I feel like with futures, you could definitely win really big, but this is a day trading bot, so this thing is making tons of trades. You would pick a cryptocurrency that it would trade on, and then you can set up bunch of parameters. Since I didn't really want to lose all my money with this, I copied some of the top traders for like the week. So after some digging through some of these bots, some of them require you to have a certain initial investment to put into the bot, and I didn't meet some of the criteria for some of them. I was running on $71 here. That's what I ended up putting in on this one bot that traded the DAPT token, DAPPT. So we're going to see how this goes.
I'm still going to send it.
My original plan was to run this bot for a week and see what happened. 1 week update here. Yeah, we're already negative $22. You see, the very first day I lost $2.50. My first green day was $1.60. My worst day was negative $16. And I followed with an $8 profit day, 40-cent profit day, and a $2.46 profit day. But that was clearly not enough to offset the 3 really bad red days. We're gonna fast forward about another week, now in June 1st, and we're still sitting at $21. So keep in mind, this was kind of when crypto market was tanking. Kind of initially started it when everything was on a downtrend. Everything just kind of continued to go down. So I feel like if I did a futures bot, if this thing would have shorted, just kept shorting, I would have made a ton of money. But I don't know. I'm just kind of going with the flow here, seeing what this thing can do. The APR on this bot was 14,000%. Top one was making 26,000%. Of course, that didn't quite work out for me. So as we take a look at the past roughly 2 weeks, we've had 8 green days, but 6 red days, and those red days were bloody red. That big one with minus $16, that one just hurt us the most, man. I also had one with negative 11, then negative 3, 224. A couple green days, a little above $2, and a $6 one, and that's when we're at currently. Now we're gonna fast forward 2 weeks from that. Like I said, my plan was just to run this for a week, see what happened, but I'm like, come on, man, I gotta make some money on this. I can't be losing all my challenges.
Stop it.
So 2 weeks later, we're still sitting at around the same amount of money. We're negative $24 in the hole now, so just a $3 change. I had the biggest day in the green or the red, and it was a $25 day in the green.
Bought this new Lamborghini here.
Besides that though, everything's kind of been even keeled. Probably the red's been a little bit more, ever so slightly, of course. Just kind of been chilling. So then I had a second genius idea of the video. I bought a bunch of alts and I had some money left over. So what did I do? I started a new crypto trading bot, baby.
Round 2.
I ended up deciding on a bot. Traded the MNST token. I threw in $50 and 30 cents. And then you can see the price range and all that stuff. I wasn't really trying to create my own bot. I probably should have though, to test out with my skills. Figured I'd lose it all, but these other ones aren't doing too hot either, so I don't know. And the market just continued to tumble and tumble and tumble. Bitcoin went all the way down to 29,000 and just sitting around that $3,000 level, and these alts are just getting destroyed. Especially these alts that nobody's heard of. Now we got 2 bots going on at the same time. So now we're gonna fast forward to June 17th, which was 2 days later from when I created that second bot. And we're looking at negative $6.86 on that one already. And our other bot just continues to go downhill. It is at negative $27.41. So our total profit is now negative $34.28. You can kind of see it the past week's gone. It's been all red. Did have the one green day, staying alone in the middle. It was just a $2.40 green day though. And so far our biggest day either way has been 25 in the green and 16 in the red. So $34 in the red is where we're going to complete our total.
Nose too soft. Another day, another beer.
Red was just hurting me too much. I actually still have those bots going on right now. It's June 28th and I think I'm about negative $60 in the hole. My total investment was $120, and yeah, I threw that money away. But hey, maybe by the end of the year they'll be in the green. I think honestly, if the day trading bot in the normal market that it was going on before, like May 15th, when everything just dumped, just been kind of a little mini bear market right now. I think that this month of July it's gonna start going off, and I can actually get a little bit in the green. Maybe that's my hope, is make my money back. That's my hope. I just want to make my money back. If you guys want to donate, just leave a like in the video. But this was a really fun experiment. It was really cool just to kind of see day trading bot. If you guys want to see some more more of this where I personally make it and I do it on specific tokens you guys want, and do all sorts of day trading bot type challenges and compile it all into one big video, let me know. That'll be a lot of fun to do. If you want to see me do the futures, leverage trading, do that too. My initial investment's not going to be a whole lot because everything I'm doing seems to end up in the red one way or another. If you guys want to check this out for yourself, go to KuCoin. Yeah, it's enabled for everybody, so you can go ahead and start using the day trading bot built into the KuCoin app. Really awesome stuff. First being in red, not so fun for me, but it's entertaining for you guys getting to see how that all works out. So after my 1 month total, of course, was negative $34, and now month and a half update is negative $60. But July, my hopes are set very high because I believe July is going to be a big month for crypto. We're going to be seeing the green a lot on CoinMarketCap. I think I'm going to see the light of day in the green on my day trading bot. Now, I think with these bots, the key thing is to catch a really small alt that's going off, and you can just kind of trade it right with the bot. At least that's kind of what I think. I might be way off here because these things kind of typically only stay around for like a week and then the tokens change. However, I did notice a popular one that everybody seems to use and seems to make decent money off of is the KCS token, which is the KuCoin token. There always seems to be a good bot for that. Maybe try that one out, maybe a little more consistent. I don't know though. Coin token did go all the way up to like $12 and it's sitting at like 5 right now. And of course everything is just down 2, 3, 4x from what it was at the peak in May. If we get back in the green, we'll be all good to go. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys want to see more cryptocurrency videos, check out my channel. I got a bunch of different things on the channel. If you want to see me try to make money online, I got videos for that too. Instagram growth, I'm your plug. If you guys did enjoy, I'll catch you on the next one.